Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So what I want to do in this video is show you the rewards that are coming in for your File Node registration. So if you guys head over to the link tree, we're going to hit it with a quick refresh. Comment down below if you checked out your rewards. Let me know what you have going on here. So we're going to go to NFTs, register here. And once we get there, we can log into our Cornucopias account. So I've done several different videos on this. And if we head over here and check out manage nodes, you can see that I've got 8 Cornucopias file nodes registered. So I've also delegated. That will be a different video. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to share with you guys step by step how you can stake your EVM COPI. So that will be for Ethereum, the Binance Smart Chain, as well as Base. Okay, so here we've got our registered nodes, and you're probably wondering, well, where are the rewards? So now we have a new tab called Rewards. So I have a step-by-step tutorial, by the way. If you guys put here registered node, you guys can type that in under videos. I've got a registered now video for you. So under rewards, you can now see the rewards that we've accumulated. And as we've already used the reward calculator, which we'll get back to as well, which is really impressive, by the way they structured this. And we're almost at 2,000 COPI that we've made passively. So based on rewards, I'll get into it at the end of this video. But if you register 8 file nodes, you will be earning roughly 70 COPI per day. Okay, so that's going to be roughly 10 COPI per file node. It's 9.8 COPI. So looking pretty good. So, 10 times 8, around 70 to 80 per day. Okay. So if we go here, and by the way, again, the team has done an incredible job at this, and I'm really happy I picked up these nodes. So I've done videos on this, and going forward in the future, there will be a lot more. So starting July 1st, you begin to earn your rewards. So up until now, this should be updated till August 1st. So it's playing catch up right now. But it looks like I'll be earning roughly 2,000 COPI per month, if not more. It should be even more. Now the claiming is not available. If you take a look on the right side, if you select Base or Cardano, for me, I only have Cardano nodes registered. If we go here, I can get it sent to my stake address. Then we could hit max eventually or set the amount of COPI we would like to claim, and then it should get into our wallet. So this is coming soon. This is not available yet, but I did want to mention it. And again, I'm impressed by how good this interface looks. So heading back to the link tree, I've been building this out. Everybody, please comment down below. What are your thoughts on the link tree? I've put in a lot of time and effort to make this easier for myself and for you all as well. If you head over to the rewards calculator and calendar, I've got an epoch calendar, quick link for you, and also a Cornucopia file node access key calculator. When you hit it, it should show the amount of nodes sold, so I didn't have to change this. You have the active nodes registered. I believe it's 76%. Let's say it's 80% by the time you're watching this video. And then let's say you have 8 nodes like the Moose, maybe you have less. Look at that, 76 COPI per day. That's very close to what we're seeing here. So 9.8 times 8. Moose won't be doing the math. I guess it's 72 plus the 8. So yeah, you'd be looking at like 78 to like 85. So pretty good, pretty close there. So I'm really impressed with that. Guys, comment down below. What are your thoughts on this? Are you excited? Me personally, I'm really excited for what's to come with Cornucopias. We have a lot more to announce here in the near future. So with that being said, the moose is loose. Comment down below. How many COPI rewards have you already earned? So comment that down below. We'll see you in the next one.